Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is my sister. You've seen her a few times on this channel already, and today I'm going to show you how I part for the perfect micro twist using her as a model. So I'm just going to moisturize her hair and we are going to get started. The first thing I do is part her hair right down the middle, so I put this middle part. That's the first thing. That's the most important thing for me to start with, the middle part. After that, I'm going to do this section at the back from ear to ear, but I'm going to do the right side first, then I'm going to do the left side too. That's going to be two separate sections. Now I am going to part this remaining hair on the left side. I'm going to separate it in 4 subsections. So I'm going to start by separating here in the middle by parting it here like evenly. Then I'm going to divide each of these sections into subsections. I know I'm getting all the subsections and the sections, the subsections and the sections mixed up. So I'm separating this right here into, following the line that the first section at the back gave me. I'm going to just follow that guideline to separate this in 2. And I'm going to follow the same line to part the other section still in 2. So added to the subsection we already had at the back, we have in total 5 subsections on the right side. I'm going to do the same thing now on the left side. Fast forward to a few hours later, I've already done the 2 subsections in the back. For each subsections, I parted in 6 lines. As you can see me counting in the video, each subsection has 6 lines. 5 and 6. I did the same thing on the other side, following the same lines, like I parted the same way for the 2 subsections. Now I'm going to move to the middle subsections, which are the biggest for me. They take more time, they take the most time. So once I'm done with this, I just know I'm practically done with the entirety of the head. I'm going to part here 6 sections, so 6 lines. I'm just mixing up everything. I'm going to part 6 lines here too. Once I clean that part up, I'm just going to start braiding. I generally do not follow the braid layering method here because the braids are really small, and if there's any gap anywhere, it's not going to be visible because they are just going to cover every space. So no need to actually follow the bricklayering method. I do my micro twist knotless because I just love how it doesn't hold on too tight to the hair, and it looks more natural that way. So here we are, 4 lines into this subsection. So I'm left with 2 lines for the rest of this subsection. Then I'm going to do the other one. Here it is at the end. Look at how beautiful it looks. Look at how clean these parts look. Oh my god, I'm loving this. I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side, and here we go. I'll just keep counting 6 lines for the other sections, and that will be it. Now I'm just trying to tidy everything up, cutting off all the excess hair to make it as neat as possible. Then I'm going to add mousse and spray to make it shine, a sheen spray of course. So here are the beautiful results. I would like to mention that this hair is not going to keep looking this bulky. By the next day, it's going to reduce in size, and it's going to keep reducing in size with time. My sister just loves this hair. She still has it. It's more than 1 month now, and she still has the hair. So thank you for watching. Like I always say, things are definitely going to get better for you soon. They can never stay the same. Just take care. Bye.